Let me know if you've had the same issue. Let me know, because this is unacceptable. Mother Larkin. It's doing it in here. This is the Milwaukee 1-key fuel. It's a big impact. 1,200 foot-pounds of torque. And then the battery is the M18 red lithium high output 8. I want to engrave my name on this stuff in case anybody decides to get sticky fingers. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this tray out. Falcon design, download upgrades. Do we need upgrades? I don't think we do need upgrades, but here we are. Okay, this is new. It's asking me for programming height, which I assume is 1 to 3 millimeters. 3 millimeters. Okay, all right. This is what I wanted to show you. So here's, I hope I can zoom in on this. So here's a piece I want to engrave and the grid. So we're going to put our letters right here in this set of blocks. This is different than it was the last time I used it, which irritates me to no end. Now let's go with the business thing. Let's go 1. See what happens. Let's take our photo back on. I'm going to move our text. See if it fits right there. Yeah, this is different than it was last time, and I don't like it. Congratulations, Falcon. You made it worse. Okay, we missed the mark. We missed the mark completely. It's doing it in here. Okay, let's try it again. Where'd my glasses go? There they are. That looks better. Oh, I like it. For you to be able to see that. Can you see it? Well, it's kind of hard to see on camera, but I like it right there. I like it a lot. I'm gonna have to sand that down probably to make this thing work. No, we're still good. Okay. All right. So there's our test piece. That came out really nice. I'm very pleased with that. So let's do the next one. Let's do the charger. Is this how everybody uses their laser? By stacking up crap inside of it until you get to the right height? I could take the legs off the machine. Where's the fun in that? You can get it to stay still. Okay, I'm gonna have to drop this down. I think I want to put it right across the top here. So let's go and use the camera again. Mother Larkin. Stay. We want our words right there. Oh no, we missed. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. How do we keep missing? That scorched the ever-loving crap out of that. It's not where I wanted it. But it's on there now. Now, let's do the big bad boy. I'm thinking maybe down here. Oh, maybe on this side. Right above it. Get that squared up in there. Can we get it squared up in here? Not with the camera in the way. Yeah. Okay. Oh my God, it's up high again. What the hell? Now I'm mad. This is on the bottom edge on the screen, but on the machine it's running. This is printing it a half an inch higher. It's printing it a half inch higher than where it is on the screen. And it didn't do that before the update. Falcon, Creality, whatever, you made it worse. Before I go engraving any more tools, what can we do about this? Because that's where I wanted it. The thing didn't move, and that's not where it printed. So, Creality, you have a big problem here. Your camera's nice. I can line stuff up nice, but it should burn, or I tell it to burn, and not wherever the hell it feels like it. Okay, this is either going to get fixed or I'm going to get rid of the machine. One or the other. Let me know if you've had the same issue. Let me know, because this is unacceptable. Now the engraving itself is pretty damn cool. I like it. I just wish it was where I put it. Yeah, now we got our tools marked. Nobody's going to steal them. Tupperware back in the kitchen. Actually worked out really well. All right, stay tuned. We'll do something fun next. You never know around here. Could be cars, could be welders, could be lasers, it could be tree pruning for all I know. Stick around. Thanks for watching. Oh, subscribe and leave a comment too if you would, please. Thank you.